Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Real Life Exotics. Today I'm gonna work on a Ferrari 2018 Spider. This car we got from Copart from the Florida, and this car has really interesting story. My guy Paul, he already take apart the interior, and now I have to work on the main harnesses and stuff, computers and stuff. So I'm gonna try to start the car maybe tomorrow, maybe today, maybe next week. We'll see. The car has been flooded pretty deep. I'm gonna be honest. The car has been flooded like that, something like that, because we saw the line on the Copart, and guys, we bought this car and we don't have a key for it. We find it inside in the car like a registration, and we Google it. We contacted the previous owner, and he's like, yeah, this is my baby. This car has only, how much, I believe 1700 miles only, but I can tell through the steering wheel, through the tires, the car looks pretty new, you know, really new. And he's like, this car sitting on a garage, and he sent me some pictures. Okay guys, this is the picture, and I think I have one more picture. Yes, that's the water line in the house. The guy, he's so nice, he sent us 2 keys. So guys, this car is very rare color, Spider 2018, and he said it's about 1700 miles only. So this car has a lot of options, sway and stuff, but we take apart, and I'm gonna, let me show you, and I'm gonna work right now inside. So I got a body control module already, I got immobilizer, we got it key. Thank you for this guy, and so we're gonna play right now with the car. I hope we're gonna start it. We already taken off the oil from the engine, and it's been like a I don't know how, so it's been barely, like water come up, and I tested it, it's not salt. I'm surprised because other car we try, and it's been salt water. This one fresh for some reason. It's weird, but let's take a look inside. Okay guys, it's good news. The harnesses, they like pretty dirty, it's like dusty everywhere, but not even one positive fall apart. All connectors, they looks pretty good. So I'm thinking like maybe because battery maybe been unplugged, or I'm guessing maybe not salt water. That's good thing. And we already clean all connectors inside with special cleaner, and we're gonna later on put in the grease. So first of all, we're gonna try to save this harness original. If not, we're gonna replace all of them. We'll see if car starts or not. This 3-piece married to the car, and plus the engine computer. All of these 4 pieces start the car, pretty much. Yeah, lights on is good. It's good. Oh yeah, lights on is good sign. But look at this, dude. Everywhere is sway. I love it. This is a really expensive option. All right, body control on. Okay, guys, we already pre-programmed immobilizer. We already sent it to the guy, and he reprogrammed it to us. But look at this, dude. Look how clean the car. Look, it's pretty clean inside. I love it. Okay, man, completely nothing. Hold on, man, it's nothing. Oh shoot, I have to plug it in. Okay, oh wow, look at this 488 Spider. Wow, look at this, so nice. Hold on, where's the key? Guys, works. This is the like antenna and key, I mean in button, like emergency button. One second. Nope. Did you see?
Yeah.
Pim, pim. It's good sign. Looks like all harnesses is working. Hold on. Did you hear this, bro?
What is it?
Something in the back, like a fuel pump looks like. Man, I'm so happy. I hope I'm gonna start the car. Did you hear clicking? This one is gone. I have to buy a new one. Airbag module. All the time, guys, you have to put a new airbag module. Don't even play with this, because this one can blow your airbags when you're gonna drive it. Can you imagine you driving and somebody like just punch you in the face? Yep. Yeah, steering wheel probably doesn't work because got a lot of dusty. Check this out, bro. It's bad, it's pretty bad. I have to buy all new electrical system or different steering wheel. Let me try that one. Maybe it's gonna work. Okay. No, nothing. Nope. Thank you, Pasha. Okay, let me try this one. This is from used car. I love work on flooded cars. I love it, to be honest, man. This is the most interested work. It's not fun, but you don't have to call people, hey, can you paint it for me? Can you do frame for me? You know, can you do this? Can you do that? You don't have to do this. You just do your own work. I guess right here the problem. All right, guys, before we did this, we already took it off all spark plugs. I replaced the starter and took it off spark plugs and turn the engine through the battery straight. So engine for sure is good, we know that. Usually those steering makes a problem, like, you know, because it's steering line, and I think it's getting bad on the flat cars usually, but we'll see. 1 second, I have to double check, make sure we're on the middle. Okay, 1, 2, and supposed to be half. No, yeah, half. Okay, okay, this is middle. 1 and 2. Okay, the steering wheel is crazy bad, but let's just check. Who knows? We'll see. Maybe it's gonna work. Check this out. Wow, guys, it works. Wow, it works. Dude, shoot. Whoa. 1 second. Should I start? Okay. Come on! Come on! Come on! Everything works, man. Hold on. Whoa! Sheesh! Dude, look. What is this? Okay, guys, let me see. Let me see. Look. Look. This is the, I know it's dirty, but this is the water from exhaust. It's not why are you laughing? It's not salt, it's fresh. I'm surprised it's fresh. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Okay. One side looks like. Why one side? Wow, guys, this side, no, it's not working. Only this side working. It's on a safe mode right now. Pash, can you clean up, please? Dude, look at this. Works like new. This side is cold. 1 second. This is it's not smoke, it's like, no, maybe it is smoke. It is smoke. Man, it's like oily. Everything is oily. Man, dude, look at this. Everything is oily. It's good? Okay guys, we're gonna put in new oil. Whew, after smoke I feel bad. New engine oil, and we're gonna check again transmission oil, and we're gonna put in all new oils and new filters, and we're gonna start again. And I'm gonna check all this side working like not great, the left side, so I'm gonna check spark plugs. We're gonna take it off and clean up spark plugs. Everything else looks good. I'm happy. I'm very happy actually. Today actually make my day. Yes, we have to replace it. It's like oil with no, it's like actually not bad. I thought it's gonna be worse. We'll see right now. We're gonna take it off and we'll see. But the car has only 1700 miles, but we have to do a lot of work on it, I hope. But right now it's a good thing. The engine is good. I don't know about transmission yet because it has lights, transmission lights, but maybe because the center console is off, it's like a reverse, like drive auto. It's everything on the center console, probably because of that. I'm happy, dude, I'm happy. Okay guys, this oil we're gonna use temporary. Hey, yo! Машина покатилась. Man, dude, did you see?
Yeah.
Look, you can even move. Если бы не было подставлено, жопа, она взлетела сейчас. Shoot. Okay, this is all starter. And it's still working, but I don't trust them because it's gonna work, who knows, on 1,000 miles or on 10,000 miles it's gonna be bad, you know. Maybe in 3 miles it's gonna be bad, you know. So hey guys, this is 7590. This is for e-gear. It's about 3 bottles like that is going for ED, just a little bit less. So guys, we just bought it, like we pay like $1,000 only for oils to clean all system, because if it's gonna be a little bit water, it's gonna be bad for engine, so we have to clean whole system. So we're gonna put in just regular transmission oil to the transmission, to the gearbox, and this oil we just gonna use for clean up. We're gonna start a couple times and take it off, and I'm gonna do like that, like about 4 times, maybe 5. Then I'm gonna put in original oil, just drive on a circle if it's gonna drive, and after that I'm gonna change the oil twice. Guys, it's already 10 o'clock and we're still at work. But guys, last time when we got flat 458 and compared to these cars from the Florida, it's like it's nothing. It's like super easy to play, because fresh water is different. It's like everything, you just have to replace couple ECUs, that's it. Salt water eat everything, but this one is been like mixed salt maybe and fresh, because the connectors, they look pretty good. 1 second. let's try again. Okay, let me see what is going on. Hey. I have to buy new spark plugs, I guess. Лучше. Good. Okay. Ouch. Okay. Dude, look at this. They're super clean inside, see? They're super clean, so it's not that bad. Yo, listen, I find the problem, bro. I know problem. Guys, I find the problem. Like, what the heck is going on, you know? It's like the intercooler, they pipe, they didn't tight, and they just come out because too much pressure from the turbos. And it's leaking air, so that's the problem. And like I hear like something not right, you know, on this side. Okay, good night. Bro. Hey, see, all smoke is gone. Hey, oil is clean, man. See, oil is clean. Now it's good. Now it's good, bro. Yo! Look at this, bro. Everything is works. Even this light. How about wipers? Okay, let me turn it off. So guys, we're trying to put in the reverse button for transmission and see if it's gonna drive or not. Look at this. Oh, I have to put in emergency brake. It's wanna drive, but the emergency brake won't release. See? Man, it's good, man. I like it. I really like it. It's gonna be a good piece.